Are you tired of running out of money before the end of the month? Do you want to take control of your finances and build a secure future? In this video, I'll share 5 simple yet powerful personal finance tips that can change your life forever. Hi, I'm Subhan, and I create videos to help you master your money and achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for weekly tips. Tip 1. Budget like a pro. First, create a budget. A budget is like a map for your money. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, shopping, entertainment. 20% for savings and investments. Tools like mobile apps, e.g. YNAB or Mint, make it super easy. A budget ensures you know where your money goes every month. Tip 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, so always have an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a separate savings account. It's your financial safety net for unexpected events like medical bills or job loss. Start small. Set aside even 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees monthly. Tip 3. Get rid of high-interest debt. Debt can drain your finances, especially credit card debt with high interest. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to pay it off faster. Stop taking new loans unless absolutely necessary. Paying off debt means more money for your goals. Tip 4. Start investing early. Saving is important, but investing grows your money. Start with SIPs, systematic investment plans, in mutual funds or index funds. Even 1,000 rupees invested monthly can grow into lakhs in a few years due to compound interest. The earlier you start, the better. Tip 5. Track and improve your financial habits. Review your spending monthly. Are you wasting money on unnecessary subscriptions or impulsive buys? Replace bad habits with good ones, like automated savings. Small changes can have a big impact on your finances. Conclusion and call to action. These 5 tips, budgeting, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, investing and tracking habits, can transform your financial life. Start with just 1 tip today and see the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment below with your favorite tip or questions. Let's grow financially together.